Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1956 150 two-door sedan. Let's look at a Post. Beautiful car, fresh restoration. It's finished in a custom color with like beautiful pearl in it. Kind of flip-flops at night too, almost looks black. Beautiful interior. 4-speed Muncie trans, custom stereo. Brand new digital gauges. Got chrome torque thrusts. Got 18s in the front, 20s in the rear. Literally like brand new. Beautiful, super straight body. Signature tail lights. Gorgeous chrome and stainless everywhere. Got a 12-bolt rear. 373s. Cruises on the highway really nice. My client drove here about 50 miles to get here. Seat belts all the way around. Jeez. No disappointments. John's in his 80s. Unfortunately, he's given medical issues and has to sell it. I feel really bad. Big stout grill up front. It's got a brand new Blueprint motor in it. It's under warranty. It's a 361 horse. Nice big aluminum radiator with a fan. Power steering, power brakes, disc up front, air conditioning, headers, GM hoses, dual horns. This motor has about 50 miles on it. Electronic ignition. Billet hinges. Really no expense spared on this. Electronic wipers. So pretty. Look at the door pull on there. That's bitchin'. So nice. Every little detail is just beautiful on this car. Brand new interior. Set seatbelts all the way around. New. Carpet, mats, pedal assemblies, dyno mat, insulation under the carpet. The carry color kind of follows through into the interior of it. Gotta have 4-speed. Vintage air system works off the original system. Blows nice and cold. Bluetooth sound. Look how the color comes through in here. Black over here. Brand new rear mirror. Gorgeous headliner. Smells brand new. Package tray. Cool. Windows come up and down like butter. So nice. It's got to have all new regulators and everything. Belts all brand new. Doors shut beautifully. The disc up front. Brand new motor. Got a warranty with this too. Dual exhaust. Sounds like Flowmasters. Yep, Flowmasters. Yeah, under here. Exhaust is kind of tucked under there. Such a pretty car. Nice as it gets. So nice. Definitely nasty. 361 horse. Aluminum heads really give it the snout that you need. They're high flow. The blueprint. So sweet. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. Smash that subscribe button, hit me up. It's a killer car. WeebyAutos.com. Thanks a lot.